2 days ago, on June 11th, 2025, it's on a two-lane road, kind of a country road, headed toward the city, and a car pulled out in front of me to pass a semi right before we met on the road. They got halfway out in the lane, and we collided. My car drove over half of their car. Their car was bigger than mine, keep in mind. And I flipped over, went into the ditch, spun around. None of this I knew at the time. Didn't pass out or anything, but I didn't really know I was upside down after it happened. A lot of people, witnesses that were there, tried to get me out. EMS, the fire rescue department, has a remote station very close by, and they were there real quick. And I don't have any broken bones that I know of yet. My calves are really swollen. I've been to the doctor. I went to the ER. They did a lot of x-rays. I'm not sure where. My feet really hurt. I feel like they were run over with a truck. My calves are really swollen, really sore, especially my left calf. My knee from the second this started was really sore. It's still sore today. It's more of just a dull, numbing pain. Maybe not numbing, but it's just this dull pain and not a lot of mobility. It's very swollen. My sternum hurts. My shoulder hurts on the side that the seatbelt is on. Around my waist where the seatbelt goes around. I'm not complaining because that seatbelt saved my life. My shoulder is elevated. My back is off. The muscle on my left side, on my back, on the bottom, is really tight. It's compensating for some stuff that's going on in my back. I'm pretty sure I have a broken toe, and I got lucky. At the end of the day, I got real lucky. I figure the impact was probably about 120 miles an hour, and maybe more. 120, 110, 130 maybe. I just don't know. But changed my, hopefully not my life, but it changed the next several weeks of my life, and hopefully just weeks and not months. I can't walk. A friend gave me this walker. I've got crutches just to the left of the screen here, and they work, but I can't do anything without them, go anywhere without them. And I'm not very fast. I'm like a turtle speed. Very slow. Every step hurts. It's difficult to move over, roll over in my bed. It's difficult to get up out of bed, reach for a glass of water. Just before I did this video, I took a swig of water, and it kind of went down the wrong pipe a little bit, and I had a cough. That was very painful, and it was a very weak cough. It didn't do any good. Yeah. Just be safe out there. Be really safe. Say your prayers. I could very easily not be alive right now. But I'm here, and I'm real glad I'm here. I gotta do some homework.